morning. My name is Hayden Malka. I chose Indiana Standards for Family and Consumer Sciences and in the course Adult Roles and Responsibilities, which is a grade 10, 11, and 12 curriculum course. And so the breakup of the two learning targets, in my opinion, have been, according to this descriptions, have been reasoning targets and product targets, and then also disposition targets. And in my opinion, it's like an even break between like reasoning targets and product targets. And also, I know assessment reading from this week didn't talk about disposition targets, but also disposition targets are a main component. So I'd say about 50% reasoning, 25% product, 25% disposition. So if we go back to my standards, the assessment, according to the reading this week, reasoning, written response, I think is going to be the best form of assessment for my standards that I have picked. Also, personal communication is a strong assessment. Also, product, performance skill had a good, strong, and performance assessment. While the disposition wasn't discussed in this, product was another thing that I had thought was big for my standards, because in adult roles and responsibilities, you may be creating like a mock interview, or you might be creating posters or graphics. So product targets was another big component of the standards in adult roles and responsibilities. So as we can see, performance assessment would also be a good assessment here. So in conclusion, to meet the needs of my standards, which include reasoning and product learning targets, I would need written response and performance assessment to meet the needs of my standards. So for example, one of the standards, we could just pick one: apply management decision making and problem solving processes to accomplish tasks and fulfill responsibilities. So this could be, you could make a product of like an example of how you would manage an event, how you would decide all of the details that go into the event. You can make this into a slideshow, a timeline, a handout, all this through making a product, and then I can make the assessment based off your performance of how detailed you went into it, how you met the standards of apply management and decision making and problem solving. And that concludes my discussion for this week.